Hi everyone, I've got a Vauxhall Astra here on a 66-67 plate, just doing the brake light bulb on this, just to show you how it's done. Can you press the switch the ignition on and press the brakes? As you can see, that one there is working. This one, release the brakes. Okay, that one's working now anyway, but it wasn't, but I'll still show you how it's done. It's quite a simple job. On the inside here, you've got this little plug here you need to undo. Once you undo the plug, all you do is push the light forward so it comes undone.
Gone.
Alright, now as I undone the back bolt, take it out all the way. That screw comes out. I then gently pull this out. And on here, you've got the cable which is stuck inside. You remove the cable, push this forward, push the pin in, take the plug out. Now these are the little lugs you need to push back on. So if I push back on this lug here, and gently, at the same time, give me 1 second. You don't want to break it. It's already out. That's the bulb I need to replace, which is a single filament one, 501 bulb. Sorry, 3A2 bulb. Got the 3A2 here. Put it back in. Slot it back in place. You got this seal here as well. You got to be careful with the seal. You don't want to remove the seal or put it in wrong. So make sure the seal is intact. And then you gently slot it in till it clicks. Click, click, click. Plug this back in. There's only one way the plug would go. Once you plugged it in, push this forward and then gently pull the wire through. And then you've got this little gap here, it goes slots through that. That's it, that's all you got to do. Put the back screw on. That's all you got to do on this car. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try to help you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.